this is 𝗦𝗪𝗡𝗪𝗢𝗢𝗡. So we're currently here in Boracay Island, and we're at Henann Prime Beach Resort here in Boracay Station 1. So let's now take a room tour of our room here in Henann Prime Beach Resort. Okay, so we're having room 228. Okay. We're having a deluxe room here in Henann Prime Beach Resort. Okay, so that's what you see. There's the luggage area here, just near the door. Then there's a work area. So there's the work area. Then the room also comes with a safe deposit box for your valuables. So there's a safe deposit box, and we have here bathrobes and umbrellas. Okay. Then they also provide sleepers and plastic for your dirty clothes. Okay. So the room also comes with a dinette set. So there's the dinette set. Okay, let's check out the toilet and bath first. So here's the toilet and bath here in Henann Prime Beach Resort. Okay, so you get a bathtub, and of course toiletries are provided, conditioner and shampoo are provided, and they also do have hot and cold shower here with rain shower. Okay, so let's check out the view from the toilet and bath. So there's the view in our toilet and bath. Okay. Okay, of course, you get to have the basic toiletries of Henann Group of Resorts. Okay, so there's the toilet, it's very clean, and the bath towels. Okay. So the bed is a combination of king size bed and single bed, I guess. Okay, so as expected, the bed is very comfortable. The type that you get for 5-star hotels. And they also do have goose down pillows in here. That's very comfortable. Okay. So the room also comes with an LCD TV with cable TV channels. Okay, we'll try this later. Okay. So there's our room here in Henann Prime Beach Resort. And by the way, the room also comes with a personal refrigerator. So it's there. And some cabinets in here. Okay. Okay, then the room also comes with a veranda. So there's the veranda with the view of the pool. Okay, so let's check out the view from our room. Hello. Okay, So there's the view from our room here in Henann Prime Beach Resort. Okay, so let's check out our room again. So there you go. Okay, so if you're visiting Boracay Island, I would highly recommend staying here in Henann Prime Beach Resort. And the good news is that I'm giving a huge discount if you book your Henann Prime Beach Resort room on my link in the description box below. Okay, so again, this is 𝗦𝗪𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.